Hello friends, today we will see how to install Eclipse. So Eclipse is another IDE like BlueJ but mostly used for professional work, right? I mean BlueJ is more academic. There are very limited feature in BlueJ, but Eclipse has a vast IDE having many features, and that is typically used for development. Okay, professionally we use Eclipse. So you can use this tool Eclipse, okay, along with BlueJ. I can ensure you will enjoy using this tool. Okay, okay. Let's see how to install this. So same thing as I have told in previous session, we need to install JDK first. Okay, we need to install JDK first. So JDK is a kind of a development kit that is a prerequisite to install any IDE. Okay, you have to install JDK, then you can install BlueJ over it or Eclipse over it. So JDK does not provide you any IDE, okay, interface development kit. So instead of we can use BlueJ or Eclipse. Okay. Let's see. I have already downloaded and installed JDK. Now I will download Eclipse and install it. So this is the URL, and we need to click the download x86-64. Do you know guys what is 86-64? So x86 stands for 32-bit operating system. Okay, uh, in older days we have 32-bit operating system, but now we are using 64-bit operating system, so it can support 32-bit and 64-bit both. Okay, let's click on it, download. Okay, to start, yeah, started. Okay, we are now going to install this software. It is asking for different options for what is the purpose of using this editor. Eclipse IDE for Java developers, for enterprise Java and web development, C, C++. So it's not only Java, it can support other languages also, right? Like C, C++, PHP, these things. Okay. Yeah, this is the first option we will select. This is the path. We don't no need to refer this path. Okay, let it be installed. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. Clicking on this browse button, you can select a defined path to install it. Okay, let's install this. Okay, so now it's installed. Let's click on the launch button. Okay, so here it's asking for a directory as a workspace. Okay, so under this directory you can create many projects. This is the root directory. Okay, okay, so now our ID is open. uh, there are several options. Let me create a hello world application. I have just deleted the module info.java file. Now I want to create a new class here. Okay, give some name. Sample is fine. Sample. Create a main method, public static void main, right? And a string array of some AR arguments. Okay, A is fine, anything is fine. Enter. See, this is the beauty. I mean, it is auto completing the code, right? So let me do it again. Okay, so I'm giving a bracket, curly bracket here. Okay, I'm pressing enter. Now the closing bracket will automatically come. Okay, see here. Now what I am going to do, this is called intelligence. ID will suggest me whatever I am going to do. See here, I am typing system. Now if I press a dot, okay, these are all the options coming. Okay, I need to select out from here, tab, dot. Now what you want to do? Print ln, right? Or print whatever. So I'm writing print ln. This is a method, right? I now this is the beauty of Eclipse. Okay, so it's easy to use, easy to debug. Okay, it's having more flexibility compared to BlueJ. Now write hello world. Okay, ends with a semicolon. Just run it. Okay, select resource to save. Yeah, I want to save this. This is the output of it. Hello world. Okay, if I change hello world to hello world 1, it will be automatically. Okay, I have no need to repeat this. Hello world 1, hello world 2. Okay, this way we can develop any Java program in Eclipse.